how to do background check on Uber Eats. So here I'll show you these different steps. So the first one will be agreeing to a background check. So here we have provide your consent, and we have a separate option for Uber Eats and for Uber Rides. So here I will take us to the Uber Eats section in a bit, but beforehand I want to show you the rest of the steps which we will need to complete. So that is the first step, just agreeing to a background check. Now the second one, here we will need to provide our details. So our details should be pre-populated from our Uber profile, and we just gotta make sure that everything is correctly filled out and make any adjustments if needed. Then we will need to provide 5 years plus of address history, and if we have used any different names or if we have changed our name in the previous years, we will need to also supply this information. And the last step will be here uploading proof of identity documents using Instant ID, which basically means giving or taking a picture of our ID, driver's license, and whichever other document they may require. Now that we know the steps, we will go and proceed with Uber Eats. So I'll just click on Uber Eats here, and it's going to take me to the national crime check. So it's going to fetch your profile here, and I'll show you how it works. So it's going to load up your information from Uber. So just going to give it some time. Okay, so this is going to be your profile picture here. And if we scroll down, we can see the rest of the information. So we need to supply our first name, middle name, last name. First and last name are mandatory. Then our email address and mobile phone number. For the check type, it's going to be employment, Uber Eats Australia in this case, and we just gotta agree to all of these terms and conditions. Now afterwards, if we click on save and continue, we will proceed with the rest of the steps which I previously showed you, and that's how you do a background check for Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.